Hi there, welcome to another episode on how to look after your Royal Enfield Interceptor or Continental GT. Your motorcycle's chain requires regular inspection and maintenance because it's a moving part that is exposed to moisture and dirt. This is a simple process that takes very little time. Park the motorcycle on its center stand on a level surface so that its rear wheel rotates freely. Rotate the chain slowly in the clockwise direction and remove visible dirt and grease with a soft cloth. Apply RE Essentials Chain Cleaner on its inner surface. Now wait for 3 minutes to allow it to penetrate. Now wipe the chain with a soft cloth. The chain is clean, but you still need to lubricate it. Leave the motorcycle on its center stand. Shake the can of RE Essentials Chain Lube well. Rotate the chain in the clockwise direction. Apply RE Essentials Chain Lube between the chain plates and rollers. Once you're done, wait for 15 minutes. Now wipe the chain with a soft cloth. Do not use the same cloth that you used to clean the chain. Finally, start your motorcycle. Put it in gear and gently allow the wheel to rotate so that the lube penetrates better. And that's it. You've just taken a step towards keeping your Royal Enfield Twin in good shape.